Nakabalik ka na ba sa white sand beach ng Boracay? Maghalabira sa tiyan, party hanggang pa-morning. Narating mo na ba ang world famous rice terraces? O manood ng Moriones. Tara na, biyahe tayo. Tayo'y may love sa ganda ng Pilipinas.
Feeling lost? Then it's time to go up north. 'Cause that's where you'll find me, in Ilocos Norte. Everywhere you go, it feels just right. Explore the land of nature and culture. But at the same time, a land of extreme adventure. Here, you don't just surf on water, but on sand dunes in a desert like no other. Don't forget to say hello to the 100 or so windmills too. And venture into rock formations that are out of this world. There's art with heart, made by hand, and made with love. In Ilocos Norte, we just transport you to nature's secret spots.
Welcome to
Where exotic food and local drinks will excite you. The same way, I'm excited to meet you. Will I find you in Ilocos Norte?